Sorry. Even though of course you know I'm sorry, babe.
It has burned so bad.
Me have a blood shot your eye or nothing. Which part of my eye is the ketchup?
Your elbow. I can't make it direct breeze touch it.
So what you want me to do?
Just hold up your fan.
Babe, I'm sorry, babe. I never know spiting, babe. Me asleep, babe. Me just a dream, so me I talk to some person about some millionaire advice. How to become a millionaire, babe. I don't expect to wake up and see me licking and sleep. And I think like me there play ball or nothing. Me, but you have cover it today.
Babe, me can't make it direct breeze.
Alright, at least stay when me look on it then. Just move it on, let me see. Let me see no, babe, please.
Just relax.
Babe, let me see that you know what to do now.
Babe, just relax. Babe,
Yeah,
pull
just-
up your fan, we need a breeze.
Me a try to see that me can know what to do. Babe, how you want me to put breeze on your hide your face?
Babe, me not hide my face.
But you
direct
have
breeze
over
that
it.
burn me eye.
Babe, where we go, doctor? Alright, see ice them, see ice them. Put it on. You want me go for, let me go for your peroxide.
Put on me eye, Jason.
No, for
Think, Jason, think. Babe, can you hold up the fan? It's the only thing that make me feel good. Ow. I don't know.
Babe, I never know
Babe, you have
spite.
to be careful.
Babe, I never know spite, babe. I never know spite. No spite, babe. You know, babe, I sleep, babe. I don't have control over it. Even you, babe, when you do your foolish, babe, I not cuss, babe. I never. You had.
Yes, Jay.
Let me see something, babe. You're not even let me see
Babe,
that
the
at all.
direct breeze that affect me eye.
So you. Alright, remember
But
move.
it make it cool, baby, make it cool.
Make a go, doctor, then.
Just give me a second.
You want me to put clothes in your bag or something?
Yeah, do that.
What kind? Where you want me to put it? Where you want me to put it?
Just get. I'm not even on Jacob.
Just carry. Alright.
Baby, hold the fan.
Well, let me at least get one jacket to cover your that you rain and wake you up. Let me get. You want to wear that one?
Cherry jeans one.
Jeans one?
Yeah.
My one?
My jeans one.
About 3 jeans jacket. You have to know, babe. Me have. Oh, this one? This one?
Yes.
Alright, so you want me to take up your bag? You have where next one then?
Just make some tea for me.
Tea?
Yeah.
Alright.
No, give me some juice.
Juice? Alright. No, you want some sweet sugar and water? That must help, babe.
Yeah. Yeah. Ow!
Come here. Wait, let me see.
Oh God, my eye.
See this. That must sweet enough.
Can't drink it.
Why?
It start hurt me.
Alright,
Oh God, my head start hurt me.
Well, babe, I could go doctor,
There's
babe.
let me know my eye to spec the honest.
Babe, me asleep, babe. You know say me asleep. When you been licking the eye for
Oh
spite?
God, my eye.
Baby, rain stop. I could go, babe. I could go doctor.
Just give me a second.
Babe, me
My
can't
head
help it.
hurt me, my head spin, babe.
So me must go stand up and do nothing.
Jesus,
Babe, you want me to stand up and do nothing?
How come my eye black?
Babe, what you want me to do? Stand up and do nothing?
Just look how my eye black.
Let me see
When
now.
me go get a chance to even do one video?
Yeah, video you worry about in your eye black. A video you worry about in your eye black.
Just stop shout at me.
But baby, can I worry about every eye that baby know so you come to eye joke, me no run them and joke the baby. I always tell people say no ramp on my eye, babe. You don't bo. Babe, just come. Come, you can take
Just
AC
you
like
lick me
that.
in my eye
Babe,
for
I never
spite.
look in your eye, babe.
Just you lick me in my eye for spite.
You know something, yo, babe, me asleep.
Stop, me go make stubborn now.
Watch out.
Guys.
Baby, you're serious right now.
You see my eye? I say me not keep it from Uno.
Bro, are you what happened right now?
And this
Baby, you serious? You record meanwhile it's into your eye?
and this how you just not behave towards me. Imagine you lick me in my eye. And I go tell me say no spite him do it for guys. Look
Baby, they asleep. What kind of style that?
so guys, be honest, somebody can just lick somebody in them eyes so and make them eye black
Babe,
and
are
blue.
babe, you record this on phone right now, babe, and you may just see about pain. You're not even drinking sugar
Yes,
water.
my eye pain me.
But you have time
Your
to
eye
record.
pain me.
You
Stop
have time.
shout after me. You
I
make
am
me head
not
hurt
shouting.
me worse.
I am not shouting,
You make me
baby.
head shout.
Are you what we talking, you know? You make your head a shout.
No, please, let me stop talk. Let me stop
How
talk.
if it, I'm not me make you talk?
Look how you do me eye.
Before you call
How
him
you
mother.
feel?
Me no
How
must
you
see you
feel
bad.
when you do me eyes?
Babe, you are hype up yourself and you
I
wanna
don't call
get.
me mother.
Call me Stacey and ask her who can put on something, babe.
My eye hurt me, Jason. My eye
After all
hurt
the things
me.
we do, baby, after time I take up phone and record. More video. Let me see something, babe.
It's okay. I know you want to see it. It's okay.
Go on, me try it.
It's okay. Just put the fan for me. My head hurt. Me dizzy. Me dizzy.
Baby, at least when you see which part
Just
there.
put the fan for me. Hold the fan. Me dizzy. Me dizzy. Me dizzy. Okay. One mommy there. Oh God.
You at least turn make it fun, breeze catch you know.
Baby, direct breeze that hurt me eye, babe. How much time you gonna
But so
tell
how you
you?
want me put it on you, but you don't want me put it on you. I don't understand this. Remember say ice in a rag, you know, babe?
Just me, I use it.
So you use it now?
My head hurt
My
me.
phone, you go and Google and so.
Just my head hurt me, please. Come, rub me back, rub somewhere. My head hurt me, please.
You never know what's fight, you know? And you know too.
Rub my foot. See if we can ease the tension.
Yo.
Feel a little better. Feel a little better. Look on it now. You cannot ease it off.
Come here,
I'm sorry.
Yeah, boy, I apologize, sir.
Bust a bump me for you.
No, yeah, you could have bust 50 bomb.
You want me scratch a dangerous?
No, me right now.
I love you.
Mm-hmm.
If you never include me, say I love you.
I love you.